You won't want to be alone for this. There's a reason silence makes people uncomfortable. When everything's quiet, your brain starts filling in gaps. A man begins noticing something off in his house. Not broken, not messy, just wrong. Every night, before bed, things aren't where he remembers them. A chair turns slightly, a door open that should be closed. He tells himself it's stress, bad memory, normal stuff. He starts taking photos of every room before he goes to sleep to convince himself that nothing is wrong. Night 1, nothing. Night 2, still nothing. He chuckles to himself.
Yeah, the stress is definitely getting to me.
He mutters. Night 3. He doesn't even want to look at the photos, but he does. And in the corner of the first picture,
What is that?